Hello, today I will show you how to use remitbee. First, go to the remitbee website or download the remitbee mobile app. If you are a new user, click on Sign Up and create an account with your email, phone number, and password. If you already have an account, simply log in. Use remitbee for money transfers. You need to verify your identity. Upload a valid government-issued ID like a passport, driver's license, or national ID. This step is required to keep your transfers safe and secure. Now, let's add the person you want to send money to. Click on Add Recipient. Enter their full name, country, and bank account or mobile wallet details. Make sure the information is correct to avoid transfer issues. Next, enter the amount you want to send. Remitbee will show you the exchange rate, fees, and how much your recipient will receive. Check everything carefully before moving to the next step. Now choose how you want to pay. Remitbee usually accepts bank transfers, Interac e-transfer, debit card, or credit card. Select the method that works best for you. Review all the details, recipient info, transfer amount, and payment method. If everything looks good, click Confirm and Send. Your money will now be on its way, and you'll get a confirmation email or notification. You can track your transfer status directly from the remitbee app or website. Once the money is delivered, both you and your recipient will receive a notification. And that's it. Thanks for watching.